Welcome class back to Chapter 5, Working with Links and Navigation. This video is going to cover our fourth lesson, which is create an image map. So another way to create links is to create hotspots on top of an image. And that creates an image map. And the hotspot is a clickable area on the image that when the user clicks on it, it takes us to a different location on the page or perhaps another page, or maybe even an absolute path to an external website. So here's an example of an image that could have various, numerous hotspots on it, to correspond to every state that we have in our union. It's a good idea to limit the number of complex hotspots in an image because the code can become too lengthy for the page to download in a reasonable length of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply by adding a transparent image onto our banner, okay, and then use that as our hotspot area. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Design View, and we want to be on the About Us page. So perfectly that I have that open here. Okay, so we're going to insert a transparent image on our background, because remember, this isn't an actual image on the page like this one is. This is a background image applied through CSS. So let's come into our properties, have that open, and then we're going to go ahead and click Insert, and then go to Image. And then down the path to the data files. So we're looking for a transparent.gif, and now that is inserted. Again, it's transparent so you can't see it. So now we're going to create a hotspot by using our properties inspector. So it says transparent.gif. We're going to create a rectangular hotspot. And when you lose the crosshairs, you've gone too far, okay? So you want to drag and try to get all the way through, pretty much the entire transparent image. So that creates a hotspot, and that will allow me to link and give it some alternate text and so on. So what we're going to do is we're going to call the map home. We're going to make the link go to index, so I'm going to actually use point to file here. And then my target is going to be top. And my alternate text is link to home page. Okay, so looking at code, and now see that I have a map named home. The hotspot is of rectangular shape. These are the coordinates, so don't worry about those numbers too much. We're linking to the home page. We're going to use top, and top is going to display the destination page in the whole browser window. So what do the rest of them mean? So here at the bottom here we have blank, new, parent, self, and top. So another one that is pretty common is blank, displays the destination page in a separate browser window. So blank and top, probably the most common ones used. Okay, let's give it a test. So I'll click here, and you can see now when I come over my banner, once I hit that transparent image, I can click on that and it'll take me to the home page. So what we need to do is we need to apply this, and this is not in the instructions, but we need to apply this to all of the pages except excluding your home page, of course. Okay, so let's go ahead, unless of course you have like some internal IDs on your home page, it's also a good idea to have it there. So we've got About Us. Let's do Activities, Cruises. Nope, Cruises didn't have anything. Fishing did. Nope. Oh, those are coming. That's right. And then Spa was another page. Okay, so these pages, so we're going to be careful in this process. So you're going to want to grab the header tag to header when you copy this. We do have a header right now in the SPA page that has a banner ID. So any page that you have created that return to top, you're going to want to make sure that you have that ID of banner on there. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy. Activities should not be a problem because it doesn't have that return to top. So it's just header. So we can just go ahead and delete this. Oh, delete and paste it in. And then SPA is the one that we're going to have to be more careful about. Okay, because this one has the ID of banner on it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to delete it, paste it in, and then add the ID equal banner back. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test these. So I'm going to do a save all, and I'll start with About Us. Okay, so I'll click on, it takes to our home page. I'm just going to hit my back button, and then I'm going to go to SPA, and I'm going to make sure that that return to top still works, and then I'll click on home. Okay, so the other one was activities, and I'll click on home. Okay, so we'll be building further pages, and we're going to want to make sure that we go ahead and update those pages as well with our banner, with our hotspot on it as well. Okay, that is your lesson 4.